Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabafana abancane be-Chiefs babuyile laphana e-England balendile. I think a day or two back they're back, but ngifuna ukuqala ngalamanga lawo engiwabonayo. Ayatrenda kancane laphana kuma-social media ukuthi uThabo Cele ufunwa i-team enkulu yasePortugal, i-FC Porto or Porto. I don't know how they pronounce it laphana ePortugal. Ayikho le ndaba lokuthi uCele ufunwa i-team enkulu yasePortugal bafethu. But nali iqiniso uCele u-frustrated ngendaba ye-game time laphana ku-Chiefs. So kunama-dialogues behind closed doors ukuthi kungenziwa njani ukuthi uCele athole more game time ku-Chiefs because of iplayer leli lafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs lingafuni ukuhlala ebhentshini. Umuntu ofuna ukucontribute laphana inside the field of play, but-ke ama-performances wakhe nawo awakabi convincing for i-team. Yabo, was promising but only for ama-performances wakhe ukuthi adrophe kakhulu bafethu. Whether uCele angablame liseyo coach abakhona or angablame indlela abadlala ngayo or angablame ukuthi i-team yonke ayikho in sync, baningi abadlali abangaperform but bayanikwa ama-opportunities, but uCele u-frustrated kakhulu ngendaba yokuthi angadlali ku-Chiefs. It was a dream move at first, kubonakala ngathi everything is in order, everything right laphana, naye umdlali bejabule kakhulu kuza ku-Chiefs, but-ke manje this move is turning into a disaster, noma ngithi into a nightmare for yena umfana. Straight from e-Russia to i-Chiefs, la adlale khona ama-match amaningi kakhulu e-Russia nakusePortugal, udlale nasePoland. I mean, if udlale lise-Europe kuma-countries futhi lawa nebhola elingcono lese compared to SA, you are expected ukuthi nje udlale immediately ethimini. Angithi thina si-expect ukuthi udlale only for wena ukuthi ungabaniki ethimini la performance labayidingayo. Okunye ukuthi uCele ku-big contract ku-Chiefs, is one of the highest paid players ethimini. Vele umuntu expectwe ukuthi adlale, expect ukuthi adlale, but mengadlali i-Kaizer Chiefs, they might look at maybe offloading him coming to uJune, but kusase ama-early development wezinto, asisho ukuthi bazomhambisa, but i-chance ikhona ukuthi bamhambise ngoJune if i-situation yakhe ayishintshi. Not ukuthi i-Chiefs engamhambisa kuphela, naye angabheka ukuthi okay angaya kuphi la azothola khona more game time, because into yambuyisa e-South Africa ukuthi abaye close to home, nanokuthi kubafana baqala ukumnothisa. Sikhumbule ukuthi uCele udlale kuma-junior ranks we-South Africa bafethu. Udlale I think under 20, under 23, so kudala involve, so it makes sense ukuthi yeah, umuntu odlala under 20, under 23 uke wabizwa futhi laphana kubafana but le Chen, I think it's Chen and COSAFA Cup ngathi iyo le abake bambiza kuyo. National team, first team, I can't remember ukuthi bake bambiza, but yeah, this season usedlalile this season, sedlala ama-matches awu-14 this season already, but lawo ma-matches lawo i-contribution yakhe ayimjabulisi. Why? Because of amanye ama-match udlala akaqali igame, ungena ezi-sub lapho nje, so uthola ukuthi bahambisa ama-minutes, akabi umuntu o-important egamini. So uCele ufuna ukuba important, ufuna ukudlala amagame amaningi. Amagame awaqalile Cabo Scope kawu-2 home and away. Is it no squad first yes. No, I'm trying to think. Yeah, but khona la appear for no. Ku-appear ku-continental level appear kawu-2 from ebenchini. Yes. Khona la angadlalanga bese ebhenchini nje ehleli. Ku-starting 11 ube khona kawu-2. So mawubheka i-record lakhe uCele alikho bad ngoba uyangena. Even la iStellenbosch ishaya i-Chiefs ku-Carling knockout, wangena late second half. Kubhethwe Premiership, ungene ku-starting 11 kawu-6, kuma-sub wangena kawu-4, but-ke akaka-contribute for i-team, akaka-contribute for i-team. Contribution yakhe already ku-Chiefs ufike this year, sikhumbule, but already udlala ama-matches awu-29, no assist, no goal, but siyazi ukuthi central midfielder, somblame esithini bafethu. But-ke udlala even i-defensive midfielder la kudlala khona u-Ox, uyakwazi ukudlala khona because khona igame abake bambeka lapho laphana. I think it's ku-Chiefs, yes, this season or previous season. Yeah, but kumdlali lona ofuna i-game time bafethu, okunye nokunye kuyamdistract ukuthi angadlala amagame amaningi for i-team. Then asingeneni ebafaneni bafethu, i-Chiefs seyikhiphe ama-details-ke laphana njengoba beyidlala ne-Manchester United. Ngike ngasho ukuthi i-Manchester United yabanika like yasho ukuthi le game lena kumele bayikhiphe under wraps, bangakhulumi ngayo, banga-report ngayo, i-game behind closed doors. But for i-Chiefs bokuyi-important ukuthi ama-details abe out there, especially game against Manchester United, ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi i-Chiefs iperforme kanjani against one of the best teams or the biggest teams in world football. La i-Chiefs eshaye khona i-Man United ngo-3-1. I think maybe Man United i-approach yabo kuleya game leya bacabanga ukuthi bazozenzela nje ilokhu izozenzela because of idlala ne-team yase-Africa, only ukuthi bathole i-surprise bafethu ukuthi i-Chiefs ikwazile ukuba-defeat. I-Chiefs ikhiphe wonke ama-details, even ama-scorers, ukuthi i-first game ukora uNaleli Hlongwane, i-captain unaleli Hlongwane noThulani Touch Mabaso ngiyamkhohlwa-ke lo munye, but yeah, yiwo wonke ama-details walama. Then QPR-ke sibonile ama-details online la kora yethi again uThulani Touch Mabaso la badrowe khona 1-1. Then igame yokugcina against i-QPR kula badrowe khona, is it 0-0? No, nil, I think 0-0, yeah, if angenzi iphutha. Yeah, but-ke babuyile abafana kusazoba off for some time, bazobuya ngoJanuwari bedlale ku-DDC team. Bathe bathemba ukuthi noma they wanna take i-performance yabo laphana e-Europe bayilethe laphana ku-Diski Challenge ukuthi bakwazi ukudefenda i-championship noma i-title yabo. Orlando Pirates ihleli ku-number 1 laphana comfortably, but having defeated Orlando Pirates kuma-final games of the year, i-Chiefs ithole lapho i-motivation because nayo bese ama-draws ayibulele, because I think badrowe 4 if not 5 games this season laphana ku-DDC team, and then basalele emuva-ke compared to i-Pirates in terms of ama-points. But bona abenzi that bad, just that nje ama-draws nje kuphela amaningi. But yeah, so far so good ukuthi abafana babuye bakwazi ukulokhu njani ukuba motivated ukuthi bayakwazi ukutravela, cause if bayakwazi ukudefend i-title yabo, it means that abanye abazobe bekhona laphana ku-DDC team next year bazokwazi ukutravela overseas nabo just for ukuthi ama-champion. But I wanna go to, ngizoyivala laba fethu nge-match report ephuma straight to i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi batheni about i-match yabo against i-TS Galaxy ku-website yabo. Bathi-ke amakhosi they were denied i-victory by close offside call against i-Rockets, noma ngithi Marumo Gallants, i-TS Galaxy, yes, TS Galaxy la bahluleke khona ukuwina. So bakhala ngokuthi la offside la bekungamelanga kube offside, ngabe bawinile if urevli bejaja kahle noma ujaje kahle. But-ke baya-report laphana ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs obviously they walked away laphana eMbombela Stadium and Nelspruit with a sense of injustice after having seemingly legitimate first goal disallowed in their 0-0 Betway Premiership draw against TS Galaxy in their final outing of 2025 on Sunday. That said, Amakhosi enjoys significant ball whatever siqhubeka. Yeah, okay, basho nje yonke igame ukuthi ihambe kanjani, nanokuthi badlale kahle kakhulu. Yabo Silva obani bakhuluma ngawo wonke ama-moments we-game ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But yeah, i-match report yabo siyibonile ukuthi ihambe kanjani igame. I'm not gonna go to i-match report yonke bafethu, izongithatha boma 5 minutes, but siyibonile igame, phelile amagame we-Kaizer Chiefs this season-ke. So babona ngoJanuwari ukuthi bazomisa kanjani, khona bazoba lona babona ukuthi lo akekho kuma-plans we-team, or bazomisa kanjani. Ngicela ukubamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure i-page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.